Hello to you and welcome to the RHC Wellness channel, where we share tools that empower you to take charge of your own healing and well-being. Thank you so much for being here today and tuning into this episode. If you are new to our RHC Wellness channel, we talk about all things holistic health and wellness and explore various topics such as supplements, healthy lifestyle habits, the mind, body, spirit, and how to become the best version of yourself. If you've already met us, thanks for coming back. Be sure to subscribe and join the RHC Wellness community. The link is in the description. Hello. During the 7-day challenge, you may be utilizing the optional 3 products included in the Core Restore Kit. One of those products is called Core Support. This is a powder which enhances phase 2 detoxification of the liver, providing clean, gentle fiber and specific nutrients which help eliminate toxins during phase 2 detoxification. The nutrients include N-acetyl cysteine, glycine, taurine, lipoic acid, green tea extract, ellagic acid, and a unique blend of vegetable phytonutrients. The antioxidant activity of this unique blend of nutrients is protective against cell damage by free radicals and helps induce phase 2 enzymes which facilitate the removal of toxins from the body and scavenge free radicals. During the 7-day program, you'll mix 2 scoops of Core Support in about 8 to 10 ounces of water and take that twice a day. If you're completing the 7-day RHC Wellness Challenge and you'd like to include the Core Restore Kit, just watch for the link at the end of this video. As always, we're available for questions, and if you're new to us, we offer a free discovery call. Just click the link and schedule a time. We look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this episode and found it useful, please like this video. And if you haven't yet, click that red subscribe button below to support our channel and stay tuned for more resources regarding holistic health, wellness, and well-being.